Alright, so this video is going to be for Wild Game November 2024, hosted by Christine, Mrs. Gillum Farms. And one of our biggest roadblocks when making this video is the fact that we don't hunt, we don't do anything with wild game, and the closest we were going to come was duck, and no one likes duck around here.
We just don't know how to cook duck around here.
So instead, we got some deer loin from a friend of ours who does hunt. And if you can hear that over there, that is some bacon that we are partially cooking so that they look like this. And this is going to be for our recipe. But we're going to be wrapping our deer loin in bacon and seasoning it and letting it slow cook very, very slowly. Our friend was very adamant that you have to let it cook very slowly and you can't let it cook completely or it will be very, very dry. So we're going to follow those directions. But first,
Mr. Johnny, I think you need to teach us how to hunt. You need to fix that we don't hunt, that this could be repaired. But you know, we do know that bacon makes everything taste better. So at least we've got that going. I have no idea how this is gonna go.
So the only things you're gonna need for this is your deer loin, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt and some pepper, some bacon, and a slow cooker.
Simple as that, my dears. Stop.
And just gonna pour it on here and season. And the first thing you're gonna do is pat it dry. And we've kind of already done that, and we're not exactly following a recipe here, but this is how we play with pork tenderloin. So we're just gonna try the same thing.
Play with?
Yeah. If you wouldn't mind,
What do I do here?
just sprinkle.
I've never cooked anything like this before in my life.
Yeah, you got it. Okay.
Oh, okay, it's both sides, okay.
Keep going.
I think the other side had less than this.
It's okay.
No. Is that garlic? Smells like garlic on it.
Alright, next. Put more onion on the side.
Went through that one way quicker.
Alright, ready?
Got it on my arm.
Now you get salt. Whoa! Hello?
That doesn't work the same way.
Okay, give me a moment. This is why you're not usually in the kitchen.
No kidding! Stop being so salty about it though, goodness.
Okay, just on the other side. Okay, that's more than enough.
Do less
more than
salt on that side.
Okay.
It's
Add
gonna be
pepper.
really good. It's gonna be so good. So here's the deal. I'll learn how to hunt and then you cook from here on out. Is that good? Is that enough?
Yep, you're good. You're more than good. Alright, so there's that. We'll figure out how salty it is later.
Speaking of salt,
And, oh what?
do you know why fish only live in salt water? 'Cause pepper water would make them sneeze too much.
Alright, so that's well topped, to say the least. And now you're just going to take the bacon, you're going to lay it, and then you're going to wrap it underneath because we're going to pretend that it is totally wrapped in bacon like I would have liked to believe.
We just peppered it with seasonings.
Yeah. This is very hot.
Well, they were just cooked.
It's to be expected. Oh.
Going back to the Michigan sands, where you hear the best local bands. It's never too soon, the party's under the northern moon. Living life one day at a dude, it's never too soon.
Okay.
That's a perfect amount of bacon.
Ew. And now we got to get it in the slow cooker, which is going to be a chore because this is very hot. And we also did drain a lot of the fat out of this because it's bacon fat and there was a lot of it. But since deer meat is very lean, it's not a bad idea to have some fat in there, just not that much. So we're just going to transfer that in there. And we're gonna have to do so very slowly because this is already very, very high.
This is gonna cook for 4 hours.
See if I can use this.
You don't want to let the bacon slip out of it, so you gotta be really careful.
I know.
That ain't careful. Careful, don't burn yourself. Shh. You're more important than the bacon.
Haha. More or less successful. Okay, so now we're gonna let this cook very, very slowly until it reaches at least 145 degrees. That will be pretty medium rare, but I don't personally like eating meat that isn't thoroughly cooked, so we're gonna wait until about 165, but this is gonna do a lot of sitting there and chilling until that happens.
Yeah, eating deer that early into cooking, I hear it's a rarity to eat it like that.
Stop. So this has been cooking on low for 4 hours, and we let it sit for 10 minutes, turned it off, excuse me, and we're gonna take it out and see how it looks.
I totally know what I'm doing here.
You got this.
Mm-hmm.
Don't break it.
Quiet. I can't get it, girl. I can't. Oh no, I love
Oh no!
We can time lapse that, right? Or cut it out.
Yeah.
But now you're not gonna because I said that.
But this is how it looks. It looks really good. The bacon looks great. Excuse me. And we've never cooked or tried venison before, but this looks interesting.
Well, we're certainly gonna eat the bacon.
At the very least, this goes really well on pork tenderloin. And I'm kind of hopeful
You guys
for this.
made that?
But the bacon is at least going to be very good, and hopefully the rest of it will too. But I've never cooked venison before, so
Y'all made that?
Yeah, hopefully
Wow.
one day I'll learn how to hunt and we can cook this with our own deer and not our friends.
Yeah.
minus the salt.
Yo, it's gonna be so salty.
Wait, what?
I poured
What
the
did-
container of salt on it. It was it's gonna be so salty.
So yeah, we should probably also cook some of this extra hearty vineyard chicks vineyard chicks squash,
It's like a
which
Lego
is
head.
accidental squash
Accidental vineyard chicks hybrid.
comebacker. So
Yeah.
So that's it for this video. Let us know if you try the recipe. Again, it is very, very good on pork tenderloin, and we love making this, and we are kind of hopeful for this one too.
I'm drilling. This looks good. I'm surprised.
It smells good.
Made.
It does
Hopefully it
smell
won't
good.
be too salty.
But again, this is for the Wild Game November 2024 with Miss Christine, Mrs. Gillum Farms. Thank you so much for inviting us to be part of this collaboration.
Yeah, and
Check out
everyone
the
check out
Gillums.
check out the Gillums, check out Mrs. Gillum, and check out all the videos in this collaboration for the November game.
I forgot. You threw me off now. For the Wild Game November.
Wild Game November 2024 collaboration. All of the different collaborators are in the description below, so definitely check those out. I know I will because we've never cooked anything like this before, and I'd like to see how everyone else does it. But we'll see how this goes. We'll eat it with the squash, and it'll probably be not
But
too
thanks
salty.
so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more stuff like this.
Yeah.
Check out the Gillums.
Yeah, we all represent now. Check out the Gillums.
God bless.
Good bless. Bye. In addition to gardening and raising animals, we have a music channel at Vineyard Chicks, and we play live music and requests Monday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Time on this channel.